Hi, and welcome to the Sektor Malaysia channel. Today we will be unboxing the Bixolon SRP-300 TOEK. Providing environmentally friendly printing, the SRP-S300 Series high-performance, 3-inch thermal linerless printer provides excellent printing quality of up to 203 dpi. It is suitable for retail and hospitality environments. Inside the box we have the power adapter, 2 pieces of partitions, installer guide and CD. At the back we have the interface. Here we have the power, Ethernet connector, USB, and drawer kickout connector. It is also energy saving. Here we have the power, error, and paper LED indicators. The power LED is lighted whenever the printer is on. The error LED indicates an error and the paper LED indicates the near end of a paper roll. Below is the feed button, and at the back is the power switch. Next we are going to flip to open the paper roll cover. Inside we have 3 light indicators on the right for power, error, and paper. Next we are going to show you how to install the 2 partitions. The position to secure the partition varies depending on the type of paper. The printing solution supports various widths of media, roll diameter of up to 120 mm, and a number of economic features including backfeed function. Here we are inserting in the 57 mm paper roll. Let's turn on the power and self-test by pressing the feeder button. You can also perform a continuous self-test by pressing the feeder button for more than 1 second. For any inquiries, you may find our contact in the description box. Thank you for watching. Subscribe today for more upcoming videos.